let's step through making this cup. I grabbed a 14-ounce hog coffee mug, lightly sanded it, and cleaned it off. I went in with a cauldron color called Azurite from Adhesive Apothecary. Then covered that with a glitter called Mermaid Crush from PDB. And locked that in place with a binding potion from Adhesive Apothecary. Once that dried, I added a thin layer of Liquid Art Ultra UV and drizzled on some pigments from PDB called Raisin and Windfall. Then after those cured, I went in with another layer of resin and swirled in more pigments and glitters from PDB. For the second swirls, I used Eternal Glitter Open Sky Pigment, Pearl Glitter, UV Purple Blue Pigment, and Snow Pigment. Snow is probably my favorite. Then I made sure all my swirls were about where I wanted them. Then once that cured, I grabbed my blueberry element sheet and I chose 2 decals to add. These decals were a little bit tricky to get down because this cup has a slight curve to it, so I wanted to be sure that the pieces of the decal didn't fold over on each other. And I got that down and I pulled the laminate sheet up, which was a little bit tricky because those really stick to resin pretty tightly. So there she is.